They recognize individuals who've been at the law school in the past, or principles and values that will always be involved here at the Sandra Day O'Connor College of Law. And so it's my great pleasure to begin by introducing you to John Shufeldt, who will be presenting today's Dan Strauss Award. John is that special kind of alum who's well over 6 foot tall. I'm a little jealous. But he's an incredible entrepreneur. He is an author of a book series known as Outliers. He is a medical doctor. He's a JD. He's an MBA. He starts his own businesses. He saves people's lives. And he's all around an incredibly engaged alum who remembers this law school, who stays connected to this law school, and consistently gives back to current day students. And so, John, it's my pleasure to have you come up to give the award.
It gives me great pleasure to present the Dan Strauss Award to David Medina. The Strauss Award is given to a graduating law student who demonstrates those qualities inherent in Professor Dan Strauss. Dan was a friend, mentor, and teacher to many of us here today. What was so unique about Dan was not only his amazing intellect and his incredibly diverse interests, but his genuine warmth and love for his family and students and his unquestioning generosity. Now, getting to David, if I had to describe David in one word, it would be anomalous. And according to dictionary.com, anomalous means abnormal, atypical, irregular, aberrant, exceptional, and odd or unusual. But here's what it describes David. David went to high school in East LA. A high school that was built for 800 students only, but yet when he was there, had 4,000 students in it. And from there, he went on to Stanford, and he had a degree in engineering and did what probably most Stanford students do, is, of course, he started his own software company while at Stanford. At ASU, David excelled in intellectual property, earned a certificate in law, science, and technology, and was an accomplished student scholar of the Center for Law, Science, and Innovation. During his 3 years as a Center Scholar, David was a leader in numerous programs, including the Information and Communication Technology Research Cluster, the ASU Arkfeld e-Discovery Conference, and the Intellectual Property Student Association. If that's not enough, he also served as executive articles editor for the Arizona State Law Journal, where his work on international patent law is soon to be published. In addition, David pursued opportunities off campus. He externed in Washington, D.C. at the U.S. Court of Appeals, and then interned with Bowman and Brook as part of the Diversity Legal Writing Program. Now, after meeting David and reading about all this, I thought David probably walked on water, until he told me about his hobby, which was fixing and repairing a 1972 Dodge Shag wagon. He explained to me that shag referred to the carpeting in the wagon, but dude, you don't need a wagon. You're a good-looking guy. So anyway, after rocking the California bar exam, David will serve as a law clerk for the Honorable Nora Fisher at the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Pennsylvania. And after clerking, David will join Orrick Harrington and Sutcliffe's Intellectual Property Litigation Group in their Silicon Valley office. David, Dan will be very proud of you and be honored that you're receiving this award in his name. And along with everyone who knows you, I'm looking forward to watching your trajectory. Congratulations. Now, that was one cool award.